Like, come watch, this is a great channel. Big up me. I'm so excited to film this video. I'm so excited. Yes. This, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be building an advent calendar for my boyfriend, like a present advent calendar. This is going to be an advent calendar built of like presents, stuff like that. I've got a few I've already wrapped. Here's a sneak peek, number 18. Yeah, so I just thought I should film this. So cute. And then you can have a go too if you've got a loved one that you're stuck for a Christmas present. Like, this is his Christmas present. He's got 1 to 25, present every day, and this is his Christmas present, so let's hope he enjoys it. You can have a go too, or you could do 12 days of Christmas, or you could do just a treasure hunt on Christmas Day. That's what I'm gonna do on the first day. It's a little treasure hunt. Yeah, so I just thought I'd talk you through how I'm gonna construct it. So first, obviously, you have to start by wrapping your presents. I've got a big box of them, cheeky Amazon order. So I'm gonna start by wrapping them now. That was delicate. So I'm gonna do a cheeky time lapse of me wrapping them up. Now, before I do up this end, there is an important part. Because it's all going to be suspended, excuse me, by string and holes, you got to make sure this paper is reinforced, because if it's heavy, it might like rip through the wrapping paper. So I'm just going to get a piece of like any card, literally, just cut a little bit, smallest little bit, and then grab a little bit of stick tape. You can use double-sided if you're feeling fruity. I just roll it up and stick it like on the inside of the paper where you're going to put your hole. There we go. Just kind of pressed in there. And then folded it over. And I'm going to tape it up and then put a hole in it. Okay, now I'm going to punch my hole. I usually take the back off the hole punch so I can just see a bit clearer where I'm putting my hole, and then just slide it down. It's quite fiddly if it's thick. Right in the middle, yeah, and then just squeeze it through. And there goes your little present with its little hole ready to hang. Now I'm just going to grab my string. Here it is. Last little bit here. Like, as long as you think you're going to want it to hang from your piece of wood. And then I just thread it through. It's a bit fiddly, and it doesn't help that I have fake nails. And then I've got a list of what presents I want to be each day, but I mean, you can just wrap and make up, and it's a surprise for you too. This one is going to be the second. So I've got these tags. Here's 8 and 11. These are the ones I haven't finished yet. Just in nice sort of calligraphy. What's this one? This is 16. Just done nicely. Ready to go. So I'm just going to tie a knot at the top of this one. And then I'm going to thread it over the string that's tied through. And I'm just going to loop it over and tie it up. I'm going to stick some sticky tape behind that just to keep it there so it doesn't swing about. Not that it should do, but you never know. And there you go. There's one of your presents ready. I'm going to speed through the next one and then get back to you for how I'm going to do the present bag. Okay, now I'm going to start on the last one, which is number 11, and they're all going in a present bag, so I'm going to do that slightly differently. I've got a couple here. I've got this tiny weeny one which is literally the size of my head and it's so cute, or I've got this slightly bigger one, but I think I'll only need the smaller one and it will look like there's more in there. So I'm going to open it up. I put a bit more of this funky grass in, hopefully you won't mind that it's pink. Pop that in the bottom. And then I'm going to pop everything in there. It's like funny little things. Like I can't resist you and it's Reese's Cups. I think I'm funny. And then you're going to get some sticky tape again. And like fold over thing. That cheeky little trick. And then tuck down anything that could get stuck. Move these cups out the way. I should have chosen smaller sweets, let's be honest. It will be held together with string as well, so this is just to help it a little bit. There we go. And then grab your hole punch and try and get it in there. Hopefully it will go in. There we go. And I'm just gonna push, tie a little knot in this one. Why is tying knots with acrylics so hard? Fuck me. And then get the tape and stick it down so it doesn't fly about all over the place. There we are. And then there you go, all of your presents are wrapped and ready to be hung up. Now what you're going to want to do is work out how you're going to hang them. I'm going to hang them from this giant stick I found in my garden that I have wrapped fairy lights around. Let's see if they'll turn on. There we go. It's going to hang like that or like this. So you will be able to see the fairy lights weaving around them. And then that'll just sit on top. And I've drilled holes through it, either side, to thread string. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, now you have built your kind of structure. It's time to decide where to put it. Now I'm going to put mine on my bedroom wall next to me, but there's lots of prints on that wall, so I now have to take them down and work out which hook I want to use. As you can see, all over my wall there's like pencil marks. Might not show up on camera, I don't know, from where I've like had to work out where to put the prints, where to put the nail and stuff. So I'm just going to grab a rubber and rub my wall. And then I will take the stick and see where it will look best. Everyone's fave. There we go. I just need to hide that little bit of string. And that is where it's gonna go. And then I have room that side to hang my advent calendar, which is cute. So I'm going to move the camera and start hanging up the presents. Okay, so I've really worked out that it's all about just like working out when you're up there, what depth to put stuff. It does wiggle, so you balance it out. But I think it's looked pretty good. I just need to like push 20 a bit like this way. But yeah, we're getting there. Okay, there we go. It looks so cute and Christmassy. Now all I'm gonna do is go along the top and snip off all the ends, like the ends of string, and then switch on the fairy lights and hang mine up. And then we're done. I'm so pleased how it's turned out. Oh my goodness, there we go. he is done. Look how good it looks. I actually love it. It's so cute. I think he'll really like it too, hopefully. And there's my little one. I'm gonna get chocolate ones for us too. So there we go. That is how to make a DIY advent calendar. I hope that was helpful. I would love to know if any of you have a go or doing something similar. Do leave this video a comment, a like, and please do subscribe to my channel for lots more of me. It's not a great selling point. There's lots of things you can put in your advent calendar. I'm going to leave a little screenshot here of like notes, however many I can fit in one screenshot, so please screenshot now. You're welcome. Okay, there we go. I'll leave you to it. Merry Christmas. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe. Bye.